हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एटीट्यूड. सो वेलकम दीपिका.
Thank you, Vibha. How are you?
वेरी फाइन. आज हम जब ये बात हुई कि हमें किस टॉपिक पे बात करना है, जैसे कि खूब सारे टॉपिक्स हम डिसाइड करते हैं. सो हम ये देख रहे थे कि हर चीज को, जैसे ये कोविड टाइम है, सो लोगों का एटीट्यूड उसकी तरफ किस तरह से डेवलप हो रहा है ओवर द टाइम. चाहे वो डर में है, चाहे वो हिम्मत में है, चाहे वो टेकिंग केयर में है, लेकिन वो हर बार बदल रहा है. तो ये जो एटीट्यूड है दीपिका, what exactly and how do you define it in your psychological framework? What is the definition of attitude?
Attitude is a set of beliefs, practices, and values put together for an individual on which he receives, thrives, and makes himself as he grows.
और जब हम एटीट्यूड के बारे में सोचते हैं तो दूसरी तरफ लोग बोलते हैं एप्टीट्यूड, तो वो तो बहुत इंटरनल होता है. वी आर बोर्न विद दैट, राइट?
Yes.
जब हम एटीट्यूड की बात करते हैं तो ये बहुत आता है, हैव अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, अवॉइड, रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम हैविंग नेगेटिव आउटलुक एंड एटीट्यूड. सो इज इट समथिंग दैट वी कैन चेंज इजीली? और आई वांट टू आस्क यू दिस, दैट कि जो हमारी फैमिली में हम देखते हैं चीज़ों को, जैसे हमारी फैमिली या हमारे नियर एंड डियर वंस, प्राइमरी जो रिलेशनशिप्स है, वो रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं किसी सिचुएशन में, किसी भी इवेंट को, या किसी नज़रिए में जिस तरह से वो देखते हैं, वो हमें बिल्डअप करता है हमारे एटीट्यूड पे. इज दैट द फर्स्ट वन?
Bilkul, because attitude starts shaping when a child observes how elders in the house behave. Apart from his learnings, his knowledge based learnings, his behavioral conduct and what other people give him as a conduct around him shapes it eminently.
So social behavior, cultural, हमारा
Yes,
जो
definitely.
है एक्सपेक्टेशंस, हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी किसी के साथ जो होती हैं वो भी एटीट्यूड बदलती होंगी चीजों को,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? और कंपैरिजंस, सोसाइटी में कंपैरिजंस होते हैं तो वो भी हमारा एटीट्यूड को शेप अप करता होगा, राइट?
Right.
एंड समवेयर आई फील दैट ईगो, नॉलेज, जब हमारे पास कुछ ना हो तो हमारा एटीट्यूड शायद कुछ चीजों की तरफ अलग होता है. और
Right.
जब आने लगती हैं चीज, चाहे नॉलेज है, जब हमारी ईगो बिल्डअप होती है तो हमारा एटीट्यूड और नजरिया भी बदलने लगता है. उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे? सो इज इट अ बून और अ बेन?
I will say it is a boon for people who want to make it a boon. It is a bane for people who want to put it like a bane for them. So, attitude is a height of your dreams and depth of your character. It really reflects that. How you want to make your attitude work for you in spite of having tough circumstances around. Do you want to have an attitude of giving up, which is a bane, or you want to have an attitude of introspection, understanding how the failures have struck and moving beyond them step by step? So, how do you want to work your attitude out towards you, with you, in your favor, or against you?
So this is so interesting because हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में इस वर्ड को बहुत इजीली यूज करते हैं. और हम ये भी कहते हैं, अच्छा यार, चेंज योर एटीट्यूड, तुम्हारा परसेप्शन तुम चेंज कर लो. उस चीज को, किस चीज को कुछ हुआ है तो उसको देखने का नजरिया चेंज कर लो, उसकी रिसेप्शन चेंज कर लो, तो तुम अपने आप चीजों को बदलता देख सकते हो. तो जब हम बिलीव्स की बात करते हैं, बिकॉज बिलीव्स आर वेरी डीप सीडेड,
Their roots.
सो जब हम एटीट्यूड की बात कर रहे हैं तो फिर बिलीव्स को भी कहीं ना कहीं हिलाने की जरूरत पड़ती है.
Exactly, like I said, beliefs, your practices, and finally that shapes your attitude. So when you talk of beliefs, you will also talk about your practices that are stemmed out of that belief.
So attitude is basically action oriented. Attitude is practical.
It is reflective.
Wow. So through your behavior, it's not only that what I think, but in a given situation, how I behave, how I see a thing, and how I choose to behave is this is what the attitude.
Exactly, and attitude is one of the most expressive emotions. It is expressive in eyes, body language, and so much more. Just not your words.
Wow. So it's a choice too.
It is definitely a choice every time, every moment.
कहते हैं कि आप अपना नज़रिया बदलते हैं तो उसी वक्त वो चीज़ें भी बदलनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. आप किस तरह से उस टाइम में अपने आप को देख रहे हैं, एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ एंड टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी एंड पीपल, एंड थिंग्स स्टार्ट चेंजिंग. द मोमेंट you bring a shift in your outlook, and the things start changing.
बिल्कुल.
वाओ. सो दीपिका, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि ये एटीट्यूड है और इसी तरह से हम हैप्पीनेस की बात करते हैं, इज इट समथिंग लाइक चूजिंग टू बी हैप्पी इज ऑल्सो एन एटीट्यूड?
Definitely it is.
तो choosing to be worrisome is also an attitude?
Yes. Because when you choose to be happy, you find people who believe in you, who uplift you mentally, physically, socially, emotionally, on all grounds. But when you choose to be anxious, worrisome, planful of manipulative practices about people around or in your life, you're inviting more energies like that. You're inviting troubles. You're inviting, shortcomings that are not related to you.
So positive attitude is definitely towards the resolutions. It's not only that problem oriented, it's more of resolution oriented.
It is hopeful.
It is hopeful. Yeah, that is true.
It is like that everybody loves a sunrise and a sunset, right? But what determines a sunrise and a sunset is just your attitude towards it. Some people say that sunsets are not good. It's just their attitude.
It's very depressing, It's like
your attitude. Sun is the same. It teaches you every time, even if it rises or it sets. It inspires.
Amazing. So this is what it is. So attitude is the most important thing. It is changeable. It shines like gold. It is like so strong what you have, and it is malleable. I feel that.
Exactly.
उसे किसी भी तरह से आप बदल सकते हो, and it makes you shine when it's positive. It's welcoming. It's something like as you enter in the room and there is a light all over. So that's what attitude tells, right?
Yes.
So changing or knowing what exactly is your attitude and thriving and changing towards more positive is definitely the need of the hour, and always been.
Always, because we all want to be better human beings every time we get up. And the key to that is always redefining and analyzing your attitude. How is it working for you? How much good is it doing to you? If not, shed those habits and beliefs that are not working for you.
Basically, we say there are 3 types of problems which strike us. It's a CHR, like career, your health, and your relationships. So the attitude towards them, resolving them, or addressing them, definitely changes the relationships and the health, and you feel healthy, you become healthy, right? That's the first thing. And with your career also, if not this, then another thing. You always have, they say, have a plan B, always ready, right? And relationships also, how you value them, how you look at them. Is the forgiveness there? Is the, like letting go there? Is bringing everybody, all inclusiveness there? These are all a positive attitude towards life.
Absolutely.
I think this is so interesting that these are some of the words which we usually use it. It's an everyday language, and we use it so casually, yet not understanding what exactly it is, making effect on us, and how we can change it towards more positive attitude, right? And making our lives much better. And we'll be coming back with such words which we use it in our daily lives and talk more about it. So thank you, Deepika.
Thank you, Vibha. Thank you.
Thank you.